video?
Mm-hmm. She's just smiling at the ceiling.
Don't get in her way. She's gonna see you, and then she's not gonna smile at it anymore.
She sees me.
I know. Get out of her way and let her look up the ceiling again.
Why does she do that?
I think she's transitioning from smiling at the air conditioner register to taking a dump.
Yeah, maybe.
She's trying to smile.
She gonna fall asleep.
If she sees you, you need to step back out of her way. Press pause.
It doesn't pause.
Yes, it does.
Every time I do that, it goes standby, and then I press it again, and it starts a new tape.
Well, whatever. Same difference.
No, it's two different things.
You put them together.
I guess, with like Windows Movie Maker or whatever.
You can. I think you can do it with that camera.
Really?
Yeah.
That would have been nice to know.
But anyway, if you just back out of her sight, she'll probably do exactly what you want her to do.
She's looking right at me.
Get the heck out of
I'm trying to. I won't be able to see her.
Stop filming and then go. Move out of the way.